video, I will share 6 crucial YouTube tips to follow when you're starting your channel. As someone who started a channel years ago, essentially only used it for 7, 8 League Magnet videos, and is now essentially starting over, I want to share with you things that I am learning that are proving really helpful in today's YouTube world. On to tip number 1. Before you set up your YouTube channel, do your research to narrow down what your niche is going to be and who the audience for that niche is. While a few YouTubers succeed on personality alone, for the majority of YouTubers, it takes clear, consistent niche focus over time. Tip number 2. Plan out your basic equipment setup before you start shooting your YouTube videos. It's fine to start simple and grow from there. The short list of some of the basic equipment to consider include a more recent model cell phone or camera with good video shooting capabilities, an off-device mic for those times you're not close enough to your recording device, a ring light or box light to supplement natural light, and software for editing your videos. I use a combination of Canva and Movavi, but there are other options out there at varying price points. Tip number 3, your YouTube channel banner and profile picture really matter. They set the tone on your homepage for what your YouTube channel is about. And also, the profile picture is shown throughout YouTube next to your channel name on videos, comments, and search. So it's very important to pay attention to the design and cohesiveness of both the channel banner and your profile picture. Tip number 4, each video should have a carefully thought out thumbnail image to go with it. And what a thumbnail image is the clickable image that previews the video and can be found on the channel's homepage, search results, and in the suggested videos section. It works in conjunction with your title to bring attention to what your video is about and encourage people to click on it. Tip number 5, end your video in a way that has people coming back for more. Use a YouTube outro, also known as an end card, in the last part of your video to offer links to more of your content and encourage people to subscribe to your channel. Outros can run from 5 seconds to 20 seconds. And finally, tip number 6, your YouTube video settings can make or break you. When you're uploading your YouTube video, you want to make sure that you get the right settings to set you up for a good foundation for success. These include things like properly named files, settings that involve how your video is displayed to the public and what is accessible to them, as well as descriptions and tags on your videos. I have found that YouTuber Virginia Kerry does a great job of walking you through all these different settings. So I'll put a link to one of her videos in the description below. I hope you found the 6 tips that I've shared with you today for starting your YouTube channel helpful, and be on the lookout for more coming soon.